Okay, are we ready? Let's read some numbers. This one first.
13, 72.
Oh, stop. We read our numbers left to right. Ready? We'll do it together. 27.
19.
19. That's right. What number?
19.
Great. Okay, now I want you to tell me how many dots you see on the card. Try not to count by ones and just try and tell me how many you see as quick as possible.
4.
Okay, so write 4 in the box. So down and across and down once more. How many dots?
9.
And did you have to count them by ones?
No,
How did you know there were 9?
because there's one spot that's empty, which would mean there would be 9, not 10.
So if it was full, how many would there be?
10.
Because it's a 10
10
frame. Okay, now you're going to circle the largest number of two numbers. These two numbers are 9 and 4. Which number is the largest? Which number is the biggest? Circle the biggest number. Great, 9 is the largest number.
I don't know.
Okay, so if we don't know, let's start counting and see which one we get to first. Okay, so let's start counting at 10, 11, so 10, 11, 12, there's 12, 13, 14. So 14 is further along the number line. That means it is larger. It is bigger than 12. So which one's bigger, 12 or 14?
12.
No, 14 is larger.
Oh,
So
sorry.
cross that out. Now, which number is larger, 14 or 12?
14.
14. Great. Which number is smaller, 14 or 12?
12.
12. That's right. Now we're going to do some counting. We're going to count forwards. Start at 12 and count forwards until I say stop.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay, let's stop. All right. What's the number that comes after 15?
16.
Okay, right. 16 in the box. Okay, now let's start counting at 19. I'm going to count with you this time. Ready? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Stop. Okay. All right. Find 22 on the number chart. Put your finger on 22. What number comes after 22?
23.
Great. Right. 23 in the box. Okay. Now we're going to start counting from 29. Are you ready? Okay, go.
29.
Let's use the hundreds chart. Find 29, put your finger on it, and let's track along. Go.
30, 31, 32, 33.
Now we're going to do some addition. Okay, the first one is, what's 5 and 3 more?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so 5 and 3 more is?
8.
Okay, right, 8. Okay, the next one, we're going to do 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5. Let's use the number chart. We're going to count on from which number?
14.
Why will we count on from 14?
Because 14 is the first number in the number sentence.
The largest number. Yep, okay, so 14, count on 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so 14 plus 5 is?
19.
19, so write 19. Okay, now we're going to write the number sentence for this last one. We're going to solve 29 plus 10. So write 29 plus 10. Okay, let's solve it. Let's use the number chart. How are you going to use the number chart to help you solve 29 plus 10?
Go to 29 and jump down 10, which is 39.
And can you read the whole number sentence now?
29 plus 10 equals 39.
Okay, now we're going to do some subtraction. What's another word for subtraction? Take away or minus. That's right. And the first one we're going to do is 6 minus 3. Let's use our counters. We have 6 counters and we're subtracting how many?
3.
3. Okay, so 6 subtract 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh, it's 3.
Okay, so 6 subtract 3 is?
3.
Okay, write it in the box. 14 subtract 3. But this time, let's use a number line. Okay, so we're going to start with our finger on 14. That's the number we're starting with, the number of counters if we were using counters. And how many are we subtracting?
3.
Subtracting 3. So we're going to need to jump backwards. How many times?
3.
Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so 14 subtract 3 is?
11.
Fantastic. Let's write 11 in the box. Start from the top. Great job. Okay. All right, now we're going to write, you can write the number sentence this time. Okay, we're going to do 39 subtract 11. Now, what do you think would be useful for you to use to help you solve this? A number line, counters, a number chart. Okay. 39 subtract 11. What are you going to start with?
39.
Yep.
29. 28.
Okay, great. So you broke the 11 into 10 and 1, and you subtracted 10 first and then 1. Great job. Okay, now we have some missing numbers here. They're in order from smallest to largest. Can you fill in the missing numbers?
Okay. 71, 72, 73, 73, 74.
Okay, let's read them now to make sure we've got them in the correct order.
Start from
Yep, start from 68.
69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74.
Great. What would the next number be?
75.
Okay, we're going to skip count by threes. Let's sing it first. Are you ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay, let's start at 3. Circle 3 on the number line. And then 6. We're going to circle all the multiples by 3 until we can't get any more because we run out of numbers on our number line.
12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Okay, now we're going to write all the multiples of 3 in a row. So we're going to go 3. Okay, that's right. Separate them with a comma. And keep going as high as you can. You might be able to go beyond 30. Great job. Okay, now we're doing some number bonds. Okay, the first one are number bonds to 10. So which two numbers add up to make 10? So it's like friends to 10. 6 and what make 10? Who is 6's friend to 10?
I don't remember.
Okay, we have 6. How many more to make 10? Let's count up from 6.
7, 8, 9, 10. 4.
Okay, 6 and 4 make 10. Can you say that?
6 and 4 make 10.
Okay, so who is 6's friend to 10?
4.
Okay, great. What about 2's friend to 10?
8.
Great. Okay. And for the next one, we need to make 20. We have 11. How many more make 20?
9.
Okay, now we have a number family. Which 3 numbers are in our number family?
3, 11, and 8.
Okay, and we can write 2 addition facts and 2 subtraction facts. Let's write our addition facts first. Now, with addition, our answer or the sum will always be which number? The biggest or the largest. Okay, so let's put that in where it belongs. Okay, so what could the other addition fact be then?
8 plus 3 equals 11.
Fantastic. Okay, so the sum is the same. Or the answer is the same. Now with subtraction, remember, subtract, start big. We need to start with the largest number. Which is the largest number?
11.
Okay, we'll start with 11. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit on place value. Now I've written a number here. It is 243. Okay, can you represent this number by colouring in these place value blocks to show me how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many units are in 243? Okay, now let's write 243 in our place value columns. How many hundreds are in 243?
200.
200? How many tens are in 243?
40.
Yep, 4 tens, and they have a value of 40. And how many units are in 243?
3 units.
Okay, all right, I'm going to write a number here. Ready? Another number here. Are you ready? Let's read the number together. What is the number? 607. Okay. All right. What place is the digit 6 in 607?
The hundreds place.
Okay. And what is the value of this digit?
7 ones or 7 units.
7 ones or 7 units. That's great. Okay. And what is the value of this digit?
600s.
Or
600.
600. That's right. 600s or 600.